Hi guys, this is Shane from China. Welcome to see my video. I'm currently at Zhengzhou City, Henan province. Probably you never heard of the name because it is not that famous like Shanghai, Beijing, they are big cities. We are not even top 10. But today I'm going to talk about the real Chinese life. Because I saw too many news. Some they are fake, some they are real, probably But I don't want to be the judge because I just want to share our Chinese people's life. You guys be the judge. And today I'm gonna go outside, take a walk, show you about my city. Okay, let's go. Buy any drink, just use your smartphone. Here you can choose the drink and then choose one. Even you can use your face. It's Alipay. No need the cell phone, no need the money, no need the cash. Just use your face. You see? That's my Alipay account. Okay, that's my drink. People not using cash, using card, just using the smartphone, your QR code to buy the subway ticket. There's no one using cash or card, just using smartphone can do anything. Even 60 years old man, they still using smartphone. In the CBD area, see there are many big tall buildings and there are many shopping malls. And normally it's very crowded here. Today it's not the weekend, but there's still a lot of people. be honest, the Starbucks is really making a lot of money in China. You see, it's this cup, it's cost 149. It's around 20 US dollars. It's really expensive. For coffee, it's cost 40 RMB. It's around 5 US dollars. Thank you guys for watching my video. That's a video for today, and hope you like it. And take care guys. See you next time. Bye bye.